Know yourself. A beautiful history to tell. My name is Clarissa Nuestra Sepulveda. Course 518007118. Hello, my name is Clarissa Nuestra Sepulveda. I am 36 years old and I am a religion and ethics teacher. I am loving, hardworking, and very responsible. I like to spend time with my family and other people who want to know about God. I like to pray and rest near the river. I do not like long meetings and cool food. I live in Cajamarca, but I am from Boyacá. I always wash my clothes. Sometimes I wash the dishes. Live intensely. My favorite book is Jesus Today, author Albert Nolan, because it nourishes my spirit. Cajamarca. I work in Cajamarca, Tolima, near Ibagué, the main city. The people are friendly and hardworking. Its climate is cold but pleasant. My favorite celebration feast is Holy Mass. I always go to church and try to get there early. I like to celebrate this holiday with my sister. There I find peace in my heart and I am happy. I always wear elegant dress for the biggest party. Every day I anoint myself with the bread of truth. Sometimes I have trouble concentrating, at other times I understand what God my what's with my life. I often read the sacred script and strive to be a good human being. I often invite my students to participate in this great celebration. I always have as a reward the joy and strive to do well the work of each day. There I must have respect and find to let this beautiful moment to thank and respect everything from God the Father. Household chores. I always wash my clothes because I like to be clean. Sometimes I wash the dishes because I do not have time. I never use a vacuum cleaner because I do not have a carpet. I often mop the floor because children dirty it. I really rarely prepare food because I work all day. I usually clean my room so they can, can remain open. I almost never take out the trash because I ask others for the favor. Sometimes I take care of the garden because I love flowers. I never wash the dog nor the cat because I do not have it. From time to time, I go shopping because I do not have much money. Sometimes I listen to songs by Adela, Jesus Adrián Romero, Salomea Recibita, and Sebastián Yatra. I am currently reading the book Spirituality for the Discipline by the theologian Jose Maria Castillo. My favorite movie is Pride and Prejudice. I looked at it many times, but now I see those who live messages to share with young people. My favorite writer is Albert Nolan. He writes about the person of Jesus, the Son of God, and his humanity. I always arrive at the school at 7 o'clock. It is time to work. The weekend I go to the English club or sometimes I do homework. At 7 o'clock I am preparing classes for the next day. Sometimes I watch the news in TV to know what happens in the world. I also like to walk to rest a bit. I always watch TV on the weekends at night. Summer. In summer, I go to the beach. There, I have to put on my sunglasses and swim suit to enjoy the sunny day. If it's sunny, I have to wear shorts and shirts because I do not like high temperatures and hate to take care of my skin. In the autumn, I must wear a coat and pants because the cold freezes me. If it's very cold, I should wear a scarf and sweatshirt, so I am better prepared and avoid getting cold. Winter. In winter, I have to wear pink scarf and red boots, so I avoid wetting my feet more if must walk from work to summer. If it rains too much, I should wear a long shirt and a warm sweater. This helps my heart cold. In the winter and fall seasons, I have to wear pajamas and foam socks so I feel less cold. Autumn. In the fall, I must wear a coat and pants. While I am in the park watching the leaves of the trees fall, that is beautiful. It is. If it is very cold, I want to wear the jacket that they gave me at Christmas. This is green. I must also wear a hat and sweater to go to school. And in autumn, I wear the black dress and the heels because I want to look beautiful in the party of my nephew Julian. Spring. In spring, I have to wear shirts and sneakers. They go to for a walk with my friends. If it is very hot, I should wear sandals and hat, so I feel wear comfortable. In the spring, I have to bring umbrellas and shoes because the climate change might surprise me. Thank you. Bye.